One of the biggest fire hazards in your home is lurking behind your drywall. 40% of residential fires are electrical in nature, and the province, according to the Ontario Electrical Safety Code, has made it very clear that electrical wiring is not a DIY project.
You need to hire or be a licensed electrician.
Oakville Fire teamed up with Bernie Home, a private company that works with electrical hazards, and they had an information session for Oakville residents.
We find a lot of the problems in homes are caused by home handymen or a friend that knows something about electrical, and that's a very dangerous thing.
Dimmers are one of the most common DIY projects, and they say even something that simple needs to be left to the professionals.
Just don't do electrical work yourself. So often we go into people's homes and they'll say, "Oh, that outlet over there, that receptacle, that doesn't work. We don't use it anymore." And you see all these black marks around it, and they think they're safe, and they're not, because just because you're not using it doesn't mean electricity isn't flowing through it, because they're wired all in series together. And so if you're plugging in something downstream like the vacuum, it is in effect being used. So you can't take chances like that. And same with breakers or fuses. If breakers are tripping and fuses are blowing, those problems don't fix themselves. You've got to deal with them.
Some older homes in Halton were built with aluminum wire, which, although more cost-effective, poses a higher fire risk. Copper, which is more popular these days, is safer. And if you're in the market for a new home, Bernie stresses the importance of a proper home inspection, because there's no telling whether or not the previous owner hired a licensed electrician.
You come home at night, you close your door, you lock it, and you think you're safe, but you're not really safe without having your home checked. And that's what we specialize in doing.
For Halton Insider, I'm Krista Sharp.